Welcome to my closet, my very small closet here in Qatar. So now we're going to pick up the black and white pieces from my closet. Black and white meaning not this kind of black and white, because the black is the knit cardigan and the white is the shirt. Black and white as in like this blazer and this dress. I have lots of black and white because I love this color combination. Let's see how many black and white pieces do I have from my closet. So they come in various prints. It's a combination of brand new and ukay-ukay, branded or unbranded. So I'll regroup them according to brand new and ukay-ukay. I've regrouped them. So these four clothes are from ukay-ukay, and this one here, they are all brand new. These are from the Philippines, and these are bought here in Qatar. So now they are grouped to used and not yet used. So this one here, these are the used black and white pieces. And this one here, they're not yet used. Like this, although some I removed the tags, but this, still with tags. I am always drawn to anything black and white, but also pieces with artistic, pieces with dramatic designs or elaborative designs also attracts me most. Obviously, I really love it because of this butterfly applique, this ribbon, it's like Sailor Moon, and the unusual color. I bought this one from an ukay-ukay in Manila, and it is so interesting because of these ruffled sleeves, which is quite on trend, Korean style, and I think this was just 50 pesos. And another ukay-ukay fave, this is very unique, look at this. So I love interesting pieces which not everybody might wear. I actually have worn this once here in Qatar, and I'll show you later how I styled it. At the back, so it's the same style. So this is my most used black and white piece here in Qatar. This is just so cheap for 150 pesos from a department store in the Philippines, Gaisano department stores, AQ lots. The fabric is thick. I am also interested with simple black and white like this, more of white but with black edgings, and I like this because it's longer in length, which is my number one requirement for a top, and cute because of this peplum hem. This is quite see-through, so you have to wear something underneath like a tank top. Another staple in my closet is a blazer. So I love blazers, and because it immediately gives chic image to your outfit. I think this is my favorite dress purchase here in Qatar. It is in my favorite black and white polka dots print, wherein black is the main background and the dots are in white. And the dress, it's very comfortable. I really like this. And then this accent here, this part here makes this dress look youthful. Because honestly, I bought this dress from the kids section. So I bought this in Max. This is quite a simpler black and white because it's more of solid black and solid white. I bought this from Zalora. So what is interesting about is that there's an even peplum hem. See that? I've worn this here in Qatar once or twice. This is another black and white blazer. The brand is Event, but I bought it in Ayala Alabang at a store called Kirin, which I really love going to that store when I go to Las Piñas. So this is a blazer with some black lining. So if you flip it, the lapel is black, so it gives another accent. And this is buttonless, and I'm happy because it's not a fake pocket. What is not so beautiful about this is that the length of the sleeves is really long, and it has an cutting here. But then actually, the purpose of that is that you can fold your sleeves to reveal the black lining underneath, so it gives more accent. It looks better if it's folded because actually the length is also too long, so it's better to fold it. So if you like buttonless blazer, this one is good for you. Bought here in Qatar at Lulu Hypermarket. This can actually be worn for office because it's with collar and button down and quarter sleeve, although the sleeve is raglan type. This is a cotton midi dress that I bought from H&M, which was on sale, about 25 Qatar riyals. I like it because it's quarter sleeve and the length. I can actually wear this as a long blouse because here in Qatar I don't wear dresses. As it is, I wear them with pants. I like the fabric because it's really thick, perfect for the colder seasons. This is pleated and really a long pants for my height. Vertical stripes, pleated wide leg pants, or pwede na din siyang palazzo pants. Bought in Lulu, Qatar. This is one wide leg pants. However, because it is sort of see-through, I'm not able to wear this outside. So this is something I can wear at home only. But I love this because it is also polka dots in black and white. Do you also love black and white? Do you have black and white pieces in your closet? Ganahan magigog black and white. I started wearing black and white. Pero pag work naman siguro na ako, I realized that I really love this color. And why you should learn to love black and white. Number one, this color combination is classic. it never goes out of style. So forever pwede gid ka magsuot og black and white. Ano siya number one reason gid why you should start wearing black and white, especially if you are in your 30s and up. So this is a classic color that you need to have in your wardrobe. Pero actually depende naman gud na di man ta makapamugos kung unsay gusto suoton sa tao. But then for me, I think you should have at least 1 or 2 black and white, because aside from classic, it is also a chic color combination. Elegante, di ba? It can go on forever. Thank you for watching!